Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to select all tables at once in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to select all table at once. Firstly, insert some table. Go to the another page. Click right button on our mouse in pages section. Then click insert blank page. Then go to the insert menu. Then click table option and insert a table. Then again go back this option and insert another table. Then again insert a table. Now we want to select all table at once. Press Ctrl A on our keyboard. Otherwise, you can go to the home menu and click select option and click select all object. Now we can see we select all table at once very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.